Hi, this is Andy Stavros, and I'm back with another episode of The Snapshot, where I help promote local businesses within the communities I serve and help people buy and sell homes. Today, we're in Anaheim, California at Towne Park Brew Co. And although the brewery is here in Anaheim, I'm sure you've seen their beer taps at some of your most favorite events, restaurants, and bars throughout coastal Orange County. We're gonna meet my long-term friend and owner of Towne Park Brew Company, Brett Laurence. He's gonna tell us everything you need to know about Towne Park, what they do, what they make, what they have to offer. Let's go inside and check it out. So you started Towne Park, I don't know, maybe a year ago, and now you're everywhere. Can you tell us a little bit how you started and where you are today?
Well, yeah, so you say a year ago, because this week happens to be our 1-year anniversary of this location, which we're gonna take you through. But we actually started about 4 years ago in my garage at Rancho Las Lomas. So it all started with a small little beer kit into what you are going to see today and where the beer is really produced.
Very cool. So can you tell us a little bit about what actually happens here at the brewery?
Yeah, I mean, we're a full, not only a manufacturer brewery, but we also do events. So we have a private event space. We also have our tap room, which you're looking at right now. We have an inside-outside patio. So on any other typical day, we do anyone from live bands, food trucks, cornhole, a lot of games, fun things like that. But you can also rent it out for your private party. We've done probably 8 weddings since conception, which is pretty cool. And then we've done probably more like corporate events, whether it be team buildings or charity events and nonprofits like that.
All right, so Brett, I'm looking at the sign over here. I'm looking at all the taps behind us. Tell us a little bit of how many varieties you have and what they are, and then maybe afterwards we can go taste some of that.
Yeah, no, so we have 16 taps back there. You're looking at a custom tap that we actually built from scratch. It's an 1890 steam boiler and actually an 1890 Massachusetts fire extinguisher, which are on both sides of it, which is pretty cool. So we decided to do 16 beers. We have about 6 to market right now. We have a blonde, a white ale, a lager, IPA, amber, and pale ale. We also have 10 other unique taps that are consist of different beers, like a double IPA goes, a low class saison, which actually are low class from our property at Rancho Las Lomas. And then we actually, so we throw them all in the back here, and I'd love to show you all.
Yeah, absolutely. But before we do that, I go out a lot, restaurants, entertain clients. I see your taps in many restaurants. Can you give us a few different places in Laguna Beach, Newport Beach, Corona Del Mar, where you actually distribute your taps or beers?
But a lot of big accounts, which we're really proud of, anywhere from North Italia, Mastro's, to your Banderas, R&D Kitchen, and that. But the biggest new wins that we just got with our cans and our bottles is Costco's. So Costco's, Albertsons, Ralph's, a bunch of the big chains there.
Awesome, those are the big accounts.
Oh, and I can't forget Disneyland. Our Disneyland, we got our Ducks, and we got our Angels, and we got the Chargers.
That's amazing.
So those are fun ones.
Let's go back, take a look. Perfect. All right, so say somebody comes in, they don't know anything about your beers, they want to try a few of them. What 4 would you recommend that your favorite that you'd want somebody to try?
You know what? I'm gonna start you with my favorite for the summertime. This is a white ale. This one right here, we call it the Town Tiger. It's kind of the Hefeweizen. It's got a beautiful little citrus and notes of lemon and coriander in that. My second one, which I think is awesome, is an IPA. Our IPA is just that West Coast style IPA, only 42 IBUs, only 6.7. It's delicious, it's not too heavy, it's kind of an introductory IPA.
Okay.
You're then gonna get to another one of my favorites, I'd say the Goes. This is not a sour, it's a Goza. It's got a little bit of saltiness to it. It's from the, named after the river in Germany, as it is, they call it Germaner. And then the final one, I think I'm gonna go to the Cella. This Cella right here is our flagship new one. This is taking the place of our Blonde, which is our best seller. And this one right here is gonna be your all Mexican lager stouter.
Well, cheers to you and Towne Park. Great job. I'm gonna try the IPA.
I'm going to Cella. Oh man.
Delicious. I love the hoppiness. All right, so love the beers, they're delicious. I think our audience would love to know how they're made, how they're brewed. Can you take us in back and show us?
Of course, but we have to know what the beer.
Deal.
So your favorite was the IPA?
Yes.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Follow me.
right, here now you have the town marketer, Dylan. Thanks for joining us. Guys, thank you so much for the tour today. It's been amazing seeing the brewery, the beers, the culture, all the employees. You guys have such a great time here. You've created this family. It's not just about the beer. You know, where'd that come from? How did you guys create this? What do you stand for?
Well, thank you. First off, I'm much used on that one. And second off, you know, when I met with this man first time, it was this experience-based philosophy. It was this idea that Rancho Las Lomas was everything that you just wanted to be a part of with everybody, enjoy, love. And when we were talking about it, we were like, Towne Park is not a beer company. It's going to be a town. It's going to be a community. It's going to be something bigger than just beer. And we're going to stand for something. Community-driven brewer. And that was it. And we just looked back and we said, this is going to be a fun ride, and let's go to it and make our employees have some fun and enjoy the ride with us. And this has been the best time ever.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Build a town.
Congratulations to your
Build a
success.
town.
To 1 year.
Just 1 year.
And that's Towne Park Brew Company. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, comment on it, share it with your friends. More importantly, come out to the brewery, give it a try, or next time you're out at a restaurant or bar and you see Towne Park, order one of their beers. They're delicious. That's all I have for today. If you're a local business owner in Coastal Orange County and want to be featured on one of my next episodes of The Snapshot, give me a call. I'm Andy Stavros, and I'll see you next time.